Hello, you guys. Today, I want to talk about something that every writer faces: rejection. Whether it's a client rejecting your work or didn't get selected after providing sample assignment to the new client, rejection can be tough. But I think rejection can make you a better writer. Let me explain you why. First, let's acknowledge that rejection hurts. आपको अपनी abilities में doubt होने लगते हैं, and you even question yourself that if you're on a right path or not. I have been there many times, staring at an email and thinking if I should give up or not. But believe me, every rejection is an opportunity to learn and grow. When a client rejects your work, it often comes with feedback. So what you have to do is use that feedback to improve your skills. If there is no feedback, don't worry. Take it as a sign to refine your approach. Rejection also builds resilience. The more you face it, the stronger you become. And it teaches you to not take things personally and keep on going. Sometimes rejection leads to better opportunity. When one door closes, the another door opens, right? And that's what exactly happened in my case. I found a client who paid me better and appreciated my writing style. Remember that every single writer faced rejection, and it is a part of this journey. Instead of fearing it, use it as a stepping stone to success. Keep writing, keep submitting, keep improving. And if you have recently faced rejection, don't let it discourage you. Share your experience in the comments and let's encourage each other. Your best work is yet to come. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.